Is this thing really worth 80 bucks or is it just an expensive candle? Let's find out. This is the Solo Stove Mesa tabletop smokeless fire pit. It can burn pellets or small pieces of wood, and I've had mine for about 3 years. Let's jump into the overview. So, as stated before, this is both for pellets and for small pieces of wood. It's stainless steel in construction with the Solo Stove 360-degree airflow design. It's about 5 inches in diameter and about 7 inches tall, weighing just over a pound at 1.4 pounds. It comes with a stand and a carry bag. I have no idea where the carry bag is. Basically, it's a mini Solo Stove bonfire. Also, the stand folds up so it can fit nicely inside the Solo Stove for travel. What do I like about the Solo Stove? Well, it really is low smoke, which makes it very nice on the patio without getting smoked out. It's really easy to start with either pellets or small pieces of wood. The stand and the carry bag, which I lost, do make it very portable and easy to travel with. It's great for quick s'mores. Sometimes you just don't want a 3 or 5 hour fire. You just want something quick, have some s'mores with the kids on the back deck on a weeknight, and this is perfect for that. There's really only one thing that I don't like, and that is it doesn't put off a lot of heat. So if you want to use this in the winter or as a source of warmth, it's not gonna do that. But for everything else, it's perfect. Final verdict. If you're buying this for traveling, for small patios, or quick s'mores on the weeknights with your kids, this thing is perfect. I appreciate all of you watching. If you are interested in purchasing one of these for you, there's a link in the description if you want to support the channel. Thanks again.